Hello and welcome to Glady's Cake Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to fix your broken Swiss meringue buttercream. And if you watch till the end, I will show you how to use this quick fix method to make chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. I already have an in-depth tutorial with detailed tips on how to make a no-fail Swiss meringue buttercream linked below. So if you haven't seen it yet, please do take time and check it out. Now let's get to fixing our broken Swiss meringue buttercream. Why does broken Swiss meringue buttercream happen? Mostly, this happens when buttercream has been kept refrigerated or frozen, and in the process of defrosting or bringing back to room temperature, the buttercream separates. This may cause the buttercream to look like curdled milk or scrambled eggs. What causes this is primarily a change or difference in temperature. I'll explain. Swiss meringue buttercream is an emulsion made up of fats and liquids. The method of achieving Swiss meringue buttercream is through the process of emulsification. Emulsification, in simple terms, is the process of mixing two substances together that are naturally not meant to mix together. So emulsification causes a change in the form of the substances to allow them to mix together, hence the change of the egg whites to meringue. Now, by refrigerating the buttercream, the chill causes a temperature change in this emulsified substance, otherwise now known as Swiss meringue buttercream. This is normally resolved by allowing the buttercream to come to room temperature, but even so, there is a chance the buttercream loses its shine and smoothness. Worse, if you're impatient like I am and decide to mix the buttercream before it fully comes to room temperature, then you will have a split mess. But here's a simple way to fix this. Melt a portion of the buttercream to liquid form. Ensure it is warm to touch, but not hot. Add this to the broken mess of buttercream and mix together. Easy. Next, if you'd like to stretch this out a bit to make chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream, add a scoop or two of buttercream to dark chocolate and melt in the microwave. Leave to become warm and not hot to touch. Then add to the buttercream and mix together. Further details for this method is in the description box below, so please do check that out. And if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, click the notification bell to be notified of future videos, and do leave a comment whilst you're at it. And if you'd like to learn my easy no-fail Swiss meringue buttercream, check this video here. I'll see you in my next.